Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make no glue slime, and it's really
with
stretchy.
me, Teasy.
Yeah, and it's really stretchy, and yeah. So first, you're gonna need a container
or like a bowl and a mixing tool right here. Yeah, you can't really see it. Also, some Olay shampoo.
This is like body wash.
Yeah, like it says
body wash.
Yeah, it says like right here. I'll show you. Body wash.
Autofocus. Autofocus that.
Yeah, sorry if it's like not focused.
Yeah.
Also, you guys need salt. You guys can't really see it, but there is.
Yeah.
First,
you're just gonna pour in some Olay into the bowl.
Yeah. Squirt, squirt. Okay, that's enough.
And it becomes like pearly afterwards.
Yeah. Here is it. We're mixing it. Next, you guys will need to add salt. Okay, you guys can't really see it, but she's gonna mix it up. Then you guys will just need to put it in the freezer for like about half an hour,
or an hour or so, until it like becomes slimy
and like it has that cool texture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it also, like, when you see it's like pearly.
Yeah.
So now, as you can see, the slime is like activated. It's like pearly. If you can see, it's like pearly. And it actually works.
Yeah. Here,
so like mix it up for them.
Here, I'll do it. Just need to keep on mixing.
And then eventually you will get this really cool pearly texture of slime. And it's actually, like, you can poke it. And it's actually stretchable. And it feels so cool. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's like really cool.
Oh, hey.